Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be showing you today how to mix Magpie glitter with Magpie gel colour Give Me Strength. So I'm going to show you basically what I did on my nails here. So I'm going to show you the two sort of full coverage nails here, and also how to do the glitter fade as well. I've been doing this a lot recently on my nails, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you want to find out how I did these, then just stay tuned. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use Magpie gel colour in Marla Mouse. This is from their new fall collection. So, and I'm just going to apply 2 coats to both of these nails, curing in between. So our first nail is all ready and cured. So I'm going to get Magpie gel colour Give Me Strength. So this is their natural nail strengthener. You use it after base coat. It's to provide extra strength to gel nails. It's what I use on my own nails. It's absolutely fantastic. But obviously the great thing about it is you can use it to sort of mix with the glitter. So I'm going to get Magpie glitter in Rosy, so that's what I've got on my nails. And I'm just going to get some foil. Now I use foil rather than sort of an actual palette, just because I find it better. It's a lot easier to mix onto. So what I'm going to do is pour some of the Give Me Strength onto the foil. So you want a good amount. I'm going to say that's probably it. Then I'm going to tip some Rosy. So when I try and do equal parts, I would say. So I'd say that's probably about right. Then I'm going to get the Magpie silicone tool. So this is what I use to apply and to mix it together. So I use the fatter end. So I'm just going to mix that all together. So I'll show you on how to do sort of the full nail first. So I get a nice big bit onto the silicone tool, start a little way away from the cuticle, and what we're going to do is we're going to sort of pat it up towards the cuticle and then bring it down. Get some more, and all we're kind of doing is guiding this mixture over the nail. And obviously this is quite a big nail, so if you know you've got shorter nails, you wouldn't need to mix this much together. So, and I'm using sort of the flat side of the silicone tool as well, but I'm just kind of patting it over. So then once it's all on there, I just look down the side of the nail just to make sure that everything's nice and smooth, and obviously make sure to cap the free edge. Look down the barrel. The great thing about Give Me Strength is it's self-leveling, so it should not be really bumpy, especially if you've got the right consistency as well. I always make sure that I cap the free edge as well, because you shouldn't need to file. So then there you have it. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds in my lamp. Then for our glitter fade, so I'm going to start off the same sort of way with the silicone tool and a little bit away from the cuticle area. Just going to grab a little bit more actually. A little bit away from the cuticle area like that, and obviously push and flatten it up to the cuticle. And then I'm just going to use the silicone tool to drag this glitter down. Really easy, really simple. But then I'm just going to kind of do that patting motion sort of 2/3 of the way down, just to make sure that it's not all gappy or anything like that. And then you can literally go down as far as you want just with the silicone tool, just dragging that glitter down, just creating that really nice glitter fade. Super easy, super quick to do, and the results are fantastic. So I'm going to cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds. So then once that has been fully cured, I'm just going to get Magpie Gel Colour in Let It Shine, which is their top coat. And I'm only going to top coat this nail once. Because we've done the mixture, I never feel like you need to top coat twice. You could top coat twice if you really wanted to, but I don't tend to because I just don't feel like you need to when you've mixed it like this. So just a nice generous layer, and I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. So, and then exactly the same thing for the glitter fade nail. I'm just going to do one coat of top coat all over the nail, and obviously because we've mixed this and fully cured it, none of the glitter is going to move. And then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds in my lamp. So, and then once they're both fully cured, I'm just going to get the Magpie cleanser and just wipe that tacky layer off. So it's a really stunning way of applying glitter. I obviously would not do this for every single client because not every single client wears Give Me Strength, and as well I feel like you'd be wasting a lot more product by doing this with every single client. You know, most of the time if you wanted this type of look, sprinkling is probably better because it's less wastage. However, it's just a really nice different way of applying the glitter, and obviously having the glitter fade in a sort of sprinkled effect, which you obviously really wouldn't be able to do without sort of mixing it. And also as well, the great thing about it is you only use one layer of top coat and it's completely and utterly smooth, whereas obviously sometimes with sprinkling and stuff you might have to buff just because it's so rough, but it's really super pretty and I'm just obsessed with doing it lately. But like I said, I wouldn't do this with every single client. I've been doing it a lot for myself recently and I've done it for a couple of clients, but that's about it. So I hope that you liked this little tutorial, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.